Good morning students, welcome to the class. I am Rajni, your science teacher in DAV Police Public School, Cathal. Students, we are on the chapter number 11, Human Eye. We have studied the structure of eye and its function. We have studied the various parts of eye. The first part is the cornea, which is transparent and protect the eye as well as provide the shape to the eye. The next one is iris. Iris helps to contract and expand the pupil. As you see here, in position 1, in eye position 1, you are seeing here that the iris contract and pupil is expand. Pupil expand to allow more light to enter into the eye. And in the second position, you see that the iris expand and pupil contract so that low light enter into the eye. So this is the function of iris to adjust the pupil. Next, our lens. The function of lens is to make the focus. But how the convex lens adjusts itself? To see the distance and near object. The lens is adjusted with the help of these ciliary muscles. The lens is adjusted with the help of ciliary muscles which hold the lens. When we see the close object, as this object is close to the eye, then the ciliary muscles contract. And when we see the distance object, as this object is at distance, then the ciliary muscles expand. So these ciliary muscles help to see the distance and near object by adjusting the lens. So the lens is adjusted with the help of this ciliary muscles. Lens in our eyes are flexible. They change the shape as per the distance of the object from the eye. Ciliary muscles are responsible for changing the shape of the lens. So this lens help in changing the shape of the lens. So after the lens, we come to the retina, where the image of the object is formed. The image of the object is formed as retina, you all know that. And this retina has special cell. The cells are photoreceptor cells. The retina has special cell called photoreceptor cells. They have two types of cells, the cones and rod cells. The light sensitive cells or the photoreceptors, they are of two types, rod shaped cells and cone shaped cells. They are actually look like this. The rod shaped and cone shaped cells respond to the rod shaped cells and cone shaped cell responds to the light as well as the color present in it, because the rods are responsible for the light and cones are responsible for the color vision. The cone cells are only activate in the bright light condition, and the rod cells are responsible for the vision in the dim light also. We will take one example. The owl. You can see the owl has enlarged pupil. Owl has enlarged pupil and owl has the rod shaped cells in maximum number and less cone cells. The rod shaped cells of owl help to see the owl in dim light. The owl is able to see in the dim light because of these rod shaped cells, because the rod cells are responsible for the vision in the dim light and the cones are responsible for the vision in the bright light. As you see here, the rod shaped cells and the cone cells, they are present in the retina layer. They are photoreceptors. They are called the photoreceptors. So some other animal, the animal which are able to see in the night or dim light, they have more rod cells as compared to the cone cells. Their rod cells are larger in number. And the day birds, they have more cone cells than the rod cells. The birds like kite, eagle and chick, they are able to see in the day, not in the night, because they have more cone cells than the rod cells. And there are some other animals which have the compound eye. They have a different type of eye. Their eye is called the compound eye because their eye is made up of 1,000 little eyes like this, and their 1,000 little eyes have 1,000 lens, cornel lens. Each eye, compound eye, made up of many little eyes, and each eye act as a lens, and that is called ommatidium. Ommatidium act as a eye, and this eye is called compound eye. It is present in insects and many other animals.